I'm going to quote Uncle Gary here. Please don't sue me. But good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What is the biz and the cheese whiz? It is your host with the most on hopefully butter toast, your boy Captain Meep, aka the Road Runner in the streets. And in today's video, I'm going to explain or share with you my Hot Wheel collection. If you're any type of car enthusiast in any way, shape, or form, I'm pretty sure you've seen Hot Wheels, you've been interested in Hot Wheels, maybe Matchbox. We're just gonna run through my collection. What I have, the cars that are near and dear to me, that are pretty special. Just want to let you guys in a little bit and share what I got going on, share the cars that I like and the ones that I thought were worth keeping in my collection. Before I get into breaking down every single car that I have in my collection, even though it's a small collection, just want to share a little bit of information about Hot Wheels with you. Hot Wheels was created by a dude named Elliot Handler back in 1968, who is the co-founder of Mattel. Elliot actually created Hot Wheels to compete with Matchbox because Matchbox had the monopoly on creating miniature cars at this time. He created these to actually replicate the customizable hot rods that were coming out at the time instead of your standard everyday sedans and vehicles, thus adding some fun atmosphere to the car toy scene. These cars simply just, piqued my interest. I'm not an avid collector. I don't plan on having hundreds upon hundreds of Hot Wheels. I just think that all of these cars in their own right are special to me, and they're in no particular order of importance other than this one right here. Obviously, the ones that are on the board are the most important to me, obviously. But everything else is super cool, super important. So let's jump into it. So we just gonna get right to it. We're gonna get right to it. We're gonna get right to it. At the top of the list, I gotta put the Z's there. The Tree Fitty. I got the Matchbox Tree Fitty. Then I got a 2023 Faux Hundo. You know what I'm saying? I got the Nissan Datsun 180SX, you know what I'm saying? You know the deal, the 96 version. Gold pack for the special collectors. I just thought that those were super cool, super nice. Moving on down to the list, got my RX-7 FC, got my Miatas right here, MX-5, S13, that I thought that came out of the box somehow. Trash. This little truck right here actually came with an RWB, but I'm not gonna disclose what happened to it without me, because I won't say it in a nice way about people. But it's someone else's fault, where I lost my purple RWB and I can't find it ever again. Got the Volvo Estate. I think it's 86. 850. Sorry. Then got the Mad Mike Drift Attack vehicle up there. Those of you who know Mad Mike today. 928 Safari build. I thought this was super snazzy when I pulled it out. Got the Audi Quattro right here. Those of you may have recognized the Audi Quattro from, I think, the last Electricana video that popped out. Ken Block, they had it sitting in there. Timeless vehicle. 2020 GR Supra. Got the Raijin Express up here. Then I got the Raijin Express with the Japanese cherry blossoms. I think that's super gas. Got another Mazda RX-7 FC blue version this time. Then we getting into my Hondas, bro, because life's about Honda, right? We got the 2018 Civic Type R, absolutely gorgeous. 16 Type R, SI. Then we got the Civic EG hatch. I just think that's a gorgeous vehicle. Look at that. I would get one of those and drive it around in real life. Got the Civic EF right here. Those of you may or may not recognize the EF. It was like one of the first vehicles to pop out in Fast and the Furious. Speaking of Fast and the Furious, when we go down past the FC, past this GT2, which I think is gorgeous by the way, then we have STI. Got the Suki Oopsa Daisy S2000 right here. If you've seen the first Fast and the Furious, that's literally where this car is from. Look at that. Gas. Absolute gas. Dropping on down the list, I got my Skyline GTR 2000 version, GSR Integra. I have an LS, I don't have a GSR, nor do I have a Type R. And I have a 95, and this is a 01. But it's still a solid build. Got my 8.6s right here. So we got 8.6s. Got a Pontiac Firebird. I didn't collect that one. That was gifted to me, so that's why it's there. I thought it was pretty cool. Got more Porsches. Got the Porsche 944 Turbo right here. Got the Fiat, or as some like to call them, a Barth, whichever works. This one is actually a prized possession. I got the Paul Walker Skyline Monster Truck Edition. Like, what? You'll probably never see that. You'll probably never see that. The Paul Walker Fast and Furious Skyline GTR. Nasty work. Nasty work indeed. Gorgeous Mr. 2 right here. MR2, as you want to call it, made by Toyota. Another Honda City Turbini. Honda City Turbina. Then we got the cream of the crop. The cream of wheat. The oatmeal with cinnamon. The cinnamon sugar. The brown sugar cinnamon. My favorite vehicle of all time. It is the Mazda RX-7 FD3S. Literally my favorite car in the entire world. Factory fresh, baby. Factory fresh. That's 95. I think this one's also 95. Yep. 95. One in black, one in blue. I got them on a cork board because one day I plan on buying one of them with the check that I wrote myself for $50,000. Because if I get a $50,000 check, that's when I feel like I made it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So that's just a quick look at my Hot Wheels collection. What are some Hot Wheels that you think I should add to my collection that will fit in with the overall theme and aesthetic that I got going on here? If you feel like you have a really good suggestion, please leave a comment down in the description below. Let me know what cars you have in your collection. Where else other than like the Facebook groups can I find like really rare Hot Wheels? Because I'm dying to know. Let me know. Until next time, I'll holler at y'all. Peace.